Feeling like your agency is running slow, or you just want to tidy up your digital workspace? Today, we're diving into how to clear your recent data within Aisensy in just a few simple steps to optimize performance and protect your privacy. First, navigate to the main Aisensy dashboard. This is typically where you see all your active projects and main features. Look for a profile icon or a settings menu, usually located in the top right corner. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu with account options. In this drop-down, find the settings option. It might also be labeled as account settings or preferences. Click here to access the core settings panel. Now, in the settings panel, you'll need to find a section related to privacy or data management. This could be listed under security or data and storage. Look for a tab or a link that speaks to managing your data within the platform. Within the privacy or data management section, you should see an option to clear data or clear history. This is the button you've been looking for. Clicking this will open a new window or update the current window with the available clear data options. A confirmation window will appear, listing different data types you can clear. This often includes chat logs, browsing history, cached data, and more. Carefully review the options and check the boxes next to the specific data types you want to remove. Once you've selected the data you want to clear, click the Clear or Confirm button. This might take a few moments, depending on the amount of data being removed. After the process is complete, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the data has been cleared successfully. That's all there is to it. You've successfully cleared your recent data in Aisensy. Regularly clearing your data ensures optimal performance and maintains your privacy within the Aisensy platform. Now go forth and enjoy a clutter-free Aisensy experience.